When a patient has completed cancer treatment and the immediate threat to life has been managed, issues that impact daily life come to the fore. Post-treatment scarring can leave patients with a range of movement difficulties, postural stress, residual pain after the scars have healed, internal catching from abdominal adhesions, cording and/or tissue puckering. There can be disassociation from the part of the body that has been altered in function, sensation and/or appearance. Fatigue levels may remain as the body recovers after chemotherapy and radiation. Insomnia can be an ongoing problem that is often addressed with more medication. Moreover, post-treatment is often when patients have the time and space to begin to process the shock of their original diagnosis, right at a time when support services have thinned. Oncology massage therapists are trained to respond effectively to a broad range of physical and psychological stresses. Gentle hands-on techniques can provide deeply effective treatment for scar mobilization, can have outstanding results on easing internal adhesions, reducing pain and improving movement generally and specifically. With a positive therapeutic relationship, the patient can gradually reincorporate the part or parts of their body that have been blocked from consciousness as a result of their sense of disfigurement and subsequent association with the traumatic event. Deep relaxation frequently leads to better sleep and improved energy. The intent of all oncology massage is to provide a non-judgmental, safe space of comfort with techniques that support the whole person, body and mind, in their healing process.